Okay. Next in series is arithmetic progression, which would which means addition of constant term, and it is just like series and pattern we did in general math. So term number is a plus n minus 1 into d. If they'll ask for the sum, that will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or some number could be n over 2 a plus the last term. So arithmetic progression is basically when you add a constant to the next term. It is exactly the same topic. I'm directly coming to questions. I hope you remember this. A plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay.
Formulas for sum, difference of two sum, whatever the condition will be. Exercise. In the first term and an arithmetic progression, A is A, first term is A, and the common difference is D. Write down expression in terms of A and D for the fifth term and 14th term. Question 1, exercise 11.3. So for the fifth term, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the fifth term is A plus 5 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 4D. Similarly, 14th term will be A plus 13D. Question number 2 says find the sum of each of these arithmetic series. Question 2, we're looking for sum. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That's simple substitution and simplifying. I'm looking at the first one. It says sum of 15 terms. So 15 by 2, 2 into the first term. First term is 2 plus 15 minus 1 and the difference. So 9 minus 2 is 7, or 16 minus 9 is 7. The difference between two terms. The value of d is 7. And now we just simplify. So I'm doing inside, that is 4 plus 14 into 7. I'm getting 102 divided by 2 into 15, and the sum is 765. I'm doing the C part, that is 8.5, then 10, then 11.5. So sum of terms is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And we need to calculate sum of first 30 terms. So sum of first 30 terms is 30 by 2. 2 into first term is 8.5 plus 30 terms, 30 minus 1, and difference from 10 and 8.5, the difference is 1.5. I'm using calculator. I'm getting 907.5. 11.3, question 2C. 11.32C, 907.5. Try B part. Be careful with the D.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Sorry, I just got kind of cut off. Which question?
Question 2, B part, and be careful with the value of D.
Okay.
Can you tell me what D will be?
B part. So, or I know it's S to the 20th term equals to 30. No, it equals to the 20 over 2, right? Just substitution, and then it would be 2 into the difference between them. Oh no, the 2 into the first term, so 20
Yes.
plus, and then it would be uh the first minus the second. No, it would be
T
no,
minus 1
sorry. Yeah,
D.
20 minus 1, and then into the difference. So that should just be 9, right? 9
No, that's minus 9.
minus 9, and then yeah, yeah, that's the end of it. And then we just plug it back into a calculator, right?
Yeah.
I'm getting 765.
Hmm. This is 1310.
Oh wait, I think I plugged in the wrong one. Let me just try it again. -9. So that would be, yeah, -1310.
Yeah. Okay. Question number 3 says find the number of the terms and the sum of each of these arithmetic series. Okay. Number of terms. See, sequence is given 23, 27, 31, and then there are few missing terms, and then the last term is 159. We need to know the number of terms. If I just look at the first two terms, I can see the difference is 27 minus 23, that is 4. So term number is basically a plus n minus 1 into d. The last term is 159. This is again simple substitution. The first term is 23. N is unknown. The difference is 4. Now we can figure out the numbers. 159 is equals to 23 plus 4n minus 4. 159 minus 23 plus 4 is equals to 4n. So 159 minus 23 plus 4 is giving me 140. 140 is equals to 4n, and n is equals to 140 by 4, and I'm getting 35. So basically the number of terms in 3a are total 35. And now we need to find the sum of the first 35 terms. So sum of terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and 35, sum of all 35 terms. Oh, we can use one more formula. I'm just started with this. Let me write it and I'll show you the second one. Into first term into 35 minus 1 into the difference was 4, and calculator. So this is 23 into 2 plus 34 into 4, I'm getting 182. That's times 35 divided by 2 is 3185. 3185. We could have used one more formula, that was as n is equals to n by 2 a plus l, first term and last term. So when we are talking about 35 terms, this was 35 by 2, and the first term is 23 in this case, and last term is 159. So 159 plus 23 is 182 again, into 35 divided by 2 is 3185. Try question 3B part.
No, but to get the answer for how many numbers there were, like the how many total numbers there were for the arithmetic equation, so we
Yeah,
just plugged it into that equation, right?
yeah, we did this because we knew the term was 159 and which term was that was unknown. So we used the formula for term number. We knew the last term was 159 and n was unknown. We knew every other thing. Term is 159, a is 23, the difference is 4. And which term is it? That is n. That came out to be 35. Try B part.
Negative 1365.
Number 3B. Negative 1365. Excellent.
Why is there two answers?
The first one was party.
No, it's like 35 and 320 and then 15 and
It is
negative
value of n.
300.
It is value of n, number of terms.
Oh, okay.
Number of terms and sum. Okay. Now we'll go through the questions and see if we find any different questions, we'll practice them. Number 4 says the first term of an arithmetic progression is 2 and the sum of the first 12 terms is 618. Find the common difference. N is given, A is given, sum is given, D is missing. Question 4, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 2, number of terms are 12, and sum of 12 terms is 618. 618, 12 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 12 minus 1 into d. 618 is equals to 6, 4 plus 11d. 618 divided by 6 is 103, equal to 4 plus 11d. 103 minus 4 is 99. 11d and d is equals to 9. Question 4d is 9. Try number 5.
For A part, I can only form equations for the actual value because I don't have the difference.
Yeah, we'll work it out through the equations. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is minus 13, the 20th term is 82. So first term is minus 13 and the 20th term is 82. A is equals to negative 13. And then the 20th term, T20, is A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we fill in the values. 20th is 82, where first was minus 13. When it is 20, so we write 20 minus 1, and D could be figured out from it. That's 82 plus 13 is equals to 19D. 82 plus 13 is 95 divided by 19.
Oh, I see.
It's 5. Sometimes you'll even get simultaneous equations to solve for A and D. And the last term is also given. Find the common difference. So first part is already done. Common difference is 5. Then it says find the sum of the terms in this progression.
So then we can just plug 112 equals to negative 13 plus n minus 1 into 5.
Yeah, n by 2, a plus, if we go for this, that will be shorter in this case. So sum of terms, there are already 20 terms. The 20 by 2, first term is negative 13 and the last term is 112. 112 minus 13 is 99 times 10, 990. Question 5, A and B. Hmm. 5 and 26. What was 26? 5 is correct. And what's 26 in A? Find the common difference and the number of terms. Oh, sorry. Number of terms missing. I just used the 20. The last term is 112. So N was missing. Let me quickly get N. Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term is 112. A is minus 13. N is missing. And D is 5. So this is 125 by 5 equals N minus 1. 25 by 5 is 25 plus 1 equals N. N is equals to 26. So for 26 terms. So sum of terms is N by 2. A plus L, and 26 by 2. First term is minus 13. Last term is 112. 26 by 2 is 13. And 112 minus 13 is 99. 99 times 13 is 1287. 5B. 1287. Clear?
Yep.
Okay. Question 6. The first two terms in the arithmetic progression are 57 and 46. 57, 46. That would just show me that D is equals to 46 minus 57. That is negative 11. A is already 57. The last term in the progression is minus 207. Minus 207. Sum of all the terms. Try this. So we have first term difference and last term. If you could figure out n, we can find the sum of all the terms.
57 and 46, and the last term is negative 207. Sum of all the terms in the progression. So 57 and 46, so we would just subtract them to find the difference between each of the terms. So and it's 46, and that's just 11. So negative 11. And then afterwards, negative 201. So that's the sum of all the terms. So last term is that. So then afterwards we could just figure it out from the general formula, right?
Yeah.
But we don't know number of terms. We can find that just with the other one. Okay. So negative 207 equals to 57 plus n minus 1 into negative 11. And then we just simplify 57 equals
Very good.
negative 11 n plus 11. So negative 207 minus 57 minus 11 equals negative 11n. And I'll just calculate it. So the number of terms is 25.
Yeah.
And then so S25 equals to 25 over 2 into, 2 into 57 plus 25 minus 1 into negative 11. I'll calculate.
1875 with a negative sign.
Yeah, I'm doing the same. Negative 1,875. Okay.
Yeah, negative 1875. Mm. Okay. We're practicing this, but in your revision time, you do have to try that binomial expansions.
Okay.
The first two terms in an arithmetic progression are -2 and 5. The last term, I think this is similar to question 6. The first term of the arithmetic progression is 8 and the last term is 34. The sum of the 6 terms is this. Find the number of terms in the progression. Let's do this one. Question 8. The first term of arithmetic progression is 8 and the last term is 34. The sum of first 6 terms S6 is equals to 58. So we need to find the number of terms. Okay. So I'm just using S6 to find the value of D. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So sum of 6 terms is given 58, n needs to be 6, a is given, that's 8, 6 minus 1 is 5, and we can figure out D. So 58 divided by 3, or just keeping it here, this is 2 8 times 16 plus 5D. So 58 is equals to 16 into 3, 48 plus 15D. 58 minus 48 is 10 by 15 D 3. Then we need to find the number of terms in the progression. Last term is given 34. 34 is equals to first term plus n minus 1 into D. 34 minus 8 is 26 into 3 by 2 is equals to n minus 1. 26 into 3 by 2 is 39. N minus 1, so n is equals to 40. This was question 8. N equals 40. Okay. Mm, Try number 12. Still doing it?
Yep, almost done. So for A part, first term equals 11 and difference equals -3. And then B part, the value of n equals to 37.
Very good. Both are correct. Hmm. Look at question number 13. The sum of the first n terms of a particular arithmetic progression is given by this. Find the first term and common difference. Sum of terms is given 4n square plus 2n. So if we just substitute 1, that is sum of the first one term. Therefore, a is equals to 6. And then we need the common difference. So when I put S2, this is 4 into 2 square plus 2 into 2. I'm getting 20. Now this 20 is sum of first term and second term. So 20 minus the first term is 14. So first term is 6, second term is 14, and D is second minus first, 8. Question 13, difference 6 and 8. 14 is exactly similar to that. Let's try 15. The sum of first n terms Sn of a particular arithmetic progression is given by this. Find an expression for nth term. So sum of terms is n over 12 or n plus d. So for nth term, we would need a and d both. So again, if I just substitute 1, this is 1 by 12, 4 into 1 plus 5 would give me the first term. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 divided by 12 is 3 by 4. First term is 3 by 4. Similarly, sum of first two terms is 2 over 12, 4 into 2 plus 5. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 into 2 divided by 12 is 13 by 6. Now 13 by 6 is sum of first two terms. So difference of first two terms will give me term 2. 13 by 6, sum of two terms minus the first term. So 13 by 6 minus 3 by 4 is 17 by 12. This is second term. So difference is second term minus the first term. Difference is also 2 by 3. So we have the difference and we have the first term. So nth term could be written Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3n minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3n, and 3 divided by 4 minus 2 divided by 3 is 1 by 12. Either we can leave it like that or take something common. This was question 15. 1 by 12 is taken that common. Let me try if we are getting same answer. That's 1 by 12 into 8 and plus 1. When you multiply that 8 by 12 and plus 1 by 12, 4 2 times, 4 3 times, so 2 by 3 and plus 1 by 12, we're getting same answers. So very few, we've almost covered this subtopic arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression, and do try 11.1 and 11.2.
Okay.
3 is easy, and in our next class, we'll start 11.4.
Okay.
Says 11.4. Page number is 274 at the top and 264 at the bottom. Okay.